Did you notice that the world sentiment just ticked up by plus 0.05, coupled with a momentum shift of the same magnitude? This isn't just a minor fluctuation, it suggests a growing optimism that we haven't seen in recent history. With 19 distinct semantic clusters emerging, there's a clear signal that specific topics are resonating more positively than before. This could be a pivotal moment for your analysis. Our World Sentiment API returns a comprehensive data package, providing insights into the current sentiment landscape and the driving themes behind these shifts. Imagine leveraging this insight for your next trading algorithm or predictive model, adjusting your strategies in real time based on this newfound positivity. Ready to dig deeper? Check out our documentation at pulsebit.lojenterprise.com/docs. Let's transform how you interact with sentiment data.